Okay, guys, so as I said in the lecture that we'll be discussing FBA and FBM in detail. So let's do a complete comparison for these terms, FBA and FBM. FBA is fulfillment by Amazon and FBM is fulfillment by merchant. But what exactly does this mean? Uh, Basically, FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. Whenever any person place an order, so either you have to send to him from your home or you have to use any other service. So the service for fulfilling your orders, Amazon is providing that opportunity. So what happens in FBA, like you found a product, you hunted a product which is having good demand, high demand, and then you find and search for a manufacturer and supplier to manufacture that product for you. So you place an order with that manufacturer and tell him to send those of your manufactured products to Amazon warehouse. So that manufacturer send your products to Amazon fulfillment center warehouse, that is called fulfillment center or Amazon fulfillment centers. What happens then? Then a customer will come and will place an order for your product that you have listed on Amazon. So you will not have to send that product to the customer, but the Amazon will be responsible to send those of your orders to the customer, those of your products, the stuff. Basically, Amazon is fulfilling your products and shipping those products to the customer. So you will just have to sit back and get your profits. Nothing else there you have to do then. And FBM, so you will tell the manufacturer to send those products to you, and after that, whenever any customer comes on Amazon and he places an order on your listing, so you will have to ship and pick back that product to the customer. So this is the difference between FBA and FBM.